Finding an IVF clinic in Singapore. So you have decided that you would like to explore the option of IVF to conceive your baby. Here are some tips on finding the right Singapore IVF clinic and how to get started in the process. What to look for in a Singapore IVF clinic. The practitioner. In Singapore, there are a number of fertility specialists who are well known for their IVF treatments. If you're not able to find out through recommendations and research, try asking the clinic who their best doctor is. Communication. Be sure to choose a gynecologist that you feel comfortable communicating with. There's nothing wrong with interviewing a few to find someone that you can trust. You should not go through IVF feeling helpless and uninformed about the process. Track records. Don't be afraid to ask for the clinic or the practitioner's success rate in IVF treatments. IVF is expensive, and it is only fair that you are given a transparent assessment of the clinic's reputation and your chance. Treatment options. There isn't only one kind of IVF treatment, but rather a range of options. You should ask your gynecologist to present you with options and to explain them to you. Be sure to ask about the type of drugs and dosage involved to find out why he or she recommends them. IVF for Singaporeans is co-founded by the Singapore government, but there can still be a big difference between the costs of seeing a top specialist at a private clinic versus subsidized treatment at a public hospital. You should find out exactly what you need to pay and if you're able to use MediSave for both subsidized and non-subsidized IVF treatment. IVF policies. Be sure to find out what kind of policies the IVF treatment is subjected to. For subsidized IVF treatments, you may find that you are only allowed a maximum of 3 rounds. Private clinics, however, may not set a limit. The wait time. Some IVF clinics are busier than the others and can involve a long wait time. You should find out if making an appointment is easy and if you're willing to tolerate waiting to see a popular doctor. IVF clinics in Singapore. In starting your research process, you can start at local hospitals which will offer the most subsidized rates. Here are the most popular IVF clinics in Singapore. Find out more at pregnancy.sg.